The aroma assessment in this evaluation is divided into two parts, dry and brick. The dry assessment is conducted after coffee is ground, but before it's cooked. The brick assessment is performed after the cupping process and the breaking of the crust that formed on the surface after cupping. According to our evaluation, the aroma detected in the bromo coffee for the coarse sample with the grading size of 9 scores 7, while the medium sample with the grading size of 5 scores 7.8, and the fine sample with the grading size of 1 score 8.5. From this data, it can be concluded that the smaller the coffee grading size, the more pronounced the aroma of the coffee.
The grind size plays an important role in determining the flavor and aftertaste of Bromo Mosto natural coffee. For a finer grind, the coffee flavor is more rich, with a score of 8.7. For a medium grind, the taste is balanced, but slightly less strong with a score of 8. Meanwhile, a coarse grind produces a weaker and less pronounced taste with a score of 7.6. For aftertaste, the finer grind leaves a more pronounced bitter taste, while a medium grind gives a smooth and sweet aftertaste. However, a coarser grind produces a more sour aftertaste.
Acidity in coffee refers to the sour or tart flavors that contribute to the overall taste profile of a cup. This sensation can range from bright and citrusy to more mellow and wine-like. Based on our SE evaluation, coarse grinding received a higher score of 9.3, medium grind score 8.45, and fine grind score 7.1.
Body is the perceived weight or mouthfeel of a coffee, indicating how heavy or light it feels on the tongue. According to our assessment based on the SCEA standards, the fine and medium coffee samples scored 8.2, while the coarse coffee sample scored 8.1. This suggests that a finer grind size might contribute to a more substantial and fuller mouthfeel.
Balance in coffee is a term that refers to the harmony of flavor produced by coffee. Balance is achieved when the various flavors in coffee such as sour, sweet, bitter, and thickness are mixed in the right proportion so that no one flavor dominates or is too strong. According to our assessment based on the SCAA standard, the fine coffee sample scored 8.68, the medium coffee scored 7.84, while the coarse coffee sample scored 6.6. The overall result is the accumulation of the 7 parameters we use. Based on the analysis result, the fine gets a score of 8.23, the medium gets a score of 7.99, and the coarse gets a score of 7.14. This result can show the level of tolerance of coffee flavors in each sample.